Welcome to Belfast Studio Rentals. The space is approximately 20 feet wide by 65 feet long with a usable space of a length of 55 feet. There are 7 4x6 southwest facing windows. There's lots of Apple boxes, extension cords, booms, C-stands, regular stands, sandbags, table surfaces. There's also 2 8x8 wall flats that can be painted and moved around. There's also a 16-foot length of smooth white wall that can be painted or wallpapered. There's also a changing area with a clothes rail and a steamer, makeup area, coffee, tea, water, and a stereo. This is the studio at Belfast Studio Rentals.